Ticket to Success. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to do a quick review on Ticket to Success, my thoughts about this product, and how you can use it as real world value to exponentially grow your income to a full-time income and scale beyond your wildest imagination. It is a product by Phil Johansen and Dan Khan. And guys, I believe they really went to bat with this one. Number one, guys, we're going to review some bonuses. We're going to look through the back office. We're going to show you the value. Again, we're going to look at the custom bonuses that we have to offer when you pick it up through the link below, and we'll go from there. When you pick up, guys, through the link below, the bonuses will be automatically added to you. If you have any trouble getting your bonuses, guys, send me an email. It will be in the description of this video. Hey guys, Ticket Success is all about marketing whatever your niche is exponentially and scaling it beyond your wildest imaginations. Guys, this is a real world product that you can use for any niche. We're going to walk around the website, look at the value, look at the bonuses, and we're going to look at what it can potentially do for you in your career as a marketer and how you can grow your income exponentially in any niche that you're working with, the custom funnels, the Facebook support, and we'll go from there. Ticket to Success, guys, when you get a chance, it is a system, guys, that is completely newbie friendly, and you can steal the blueprint and scale your business and 5x your results. This is what some of the students are saying, guys. It is an in-depth course that you can generate income as an online, from a complete newbie. They're literally spilling the beans on this one. Hopefully, they will increase the price soon, because it should be illegal to sell such product at such a low price. And this is what Rob Palmer has said. My sales went through the roof. Ticket to Success, my conversions have massively increased my sales and went through the roof in less than 1 week with little effort. I no longer need to invest in expensive ads. Phil and Dan have really over-delivered with their new conversion system. The system is designed, guys, again, to promote whatever you're promoting and to scale it to the moon. Even as a beginner, you can follow along with this product. Phil and Dan has over-delivered, guys. This is one of the best affiliate marketing courses that is available today. Step by step, very simple, easy to follow manner that you can follow. And guys, it's a proven commission system that shows struggling affiliate marketers or even experienced marketers how to grow and scale your business to the moon. Guys, there is a secret to getting 500% higher conversions than any other sales system on the planet today. And these are real world actionable results. They are step-by-step video presentation. Do this. You want to learn how to do videos. You want to learn how to get traffic to your website with minimum effort. How to scale your business, whatever niche in. What you want to learn is how to have a proven product and get proven traffic strategies to that product to get 10 times conversions, and 10 times conversions can equal 10 times your income. Super excited. How to get results in less than 30 minutes per day, so you can do this in the morning over coffee. From scratch, daily commissions, guys. Ticket Success is a breakthrough one-time setup system that can give you every time results, ongoing results. Folks, it has automatic lead and traffic generation from free traffic, guys. And I'm not talking about wore out solo ads or useless traffic. We're talking about fresh buyer leads with credit card in hand. Folks, you can 5x your conversions with the 5x multiplier, and we'll go from there. Guys, before we do that, let's pause, go over to the bonus page, the bonuses that you're going to pick up when you join through the link below. Bonus number 1, you're going to get what we call the secret conversion protocol that eliminates the competition. Guys, you want to be ahead of the game. This is about $1,000 value. It completely eliminates your competition. Let's look at this, guys. Bonus number 2. Unlimited traffic secrets. It's about $1,000 bonus. Unlimited traffic secrets, guys. This is what other internet marketers don't know. Phil and Dan will land them on a silver platter so that you can easily drive floods of targeted traffic to any website of your choosing in any niche. Bonus number 3. This is Master Profits Masterclass. Folks, you can find products that pay 100% commissions and double the profits to whatever that you're promoting. That's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4. This is what we call mass buyer traffic magic. Proven strategy to maximize your profits and your audience without spamming them. That's what we want to learn to do, is to make sure, and that's what you need to learn to do, guys, is to make sure that when you have an email list, you want to offer value. You don't want to just necessarily spam links out to people, but you want to offer real world value with actionable results. Actionable steps that will produce results in your business, and that you can start and apply them today, and that you won't appear to be, every time you turn around, every time they get an email from you, that you're spamming them. But you're offering authentic value, and your customers will begin to love you for it. This is bonus number 4. This is about a $500 value. Breakthrough bonus mastery. Bonus number 5. Breakthrough bonus mastery. Guys, step by step, cannot fail formula works even if you're not an expert in anything. Using scarcity and fear of loss to easily sell more of anything that you got to sell. You can learn that bonus number 5. That's about $1,000 value. Proven step-by-step blueprint, complete walkthrough A to Z, bulletproof action plan that you can copy and apply today. The fastest way to get results in any niche with proven funnels, guys. These things have proven funnels that you can set up for any niche, and you're ready to go. Proven step-by-step blueprint. To recap what you're getting, guys, in the bonuses, you're going to get a ticket to success system over the shoulder. Guys, you can peep over the shoulder of Dan and Phil, $500 value. Mind game mastery to become unstoppable. It's about $200 value. You got you're going to access to our Facebook group, guys. That's about $300 value. Done for you profit funnel, guys. About a $247 value. Bonus conversion protocol value. Guys, a secret conversion protocol. Guys, how to convert more using less effort. That's about $1,000 value. Product Profits Masterclass. That's about a $500 value. You're going to get mass buyer traffic magic. This is a training course, guys, that you can utilize to get massive amounts of traffic to your websites. Breakthrough bonus mastery. Guys, you're talking about $1,000 value, step-by-step blueprint here. Guys, total value, you're looking at $5,720 in value bonuses, guys. And this is what the vendor's offering. I'm going to show you some of my custom bonuses that you're going to get also when you get through the link below. If you want to start making consistent commissions, guys, and if you want to scale your businesses to the moon, you can have this product right here today, and then you can go from there. You can get all of this for a one-time cost for $37, guys, and you're in the back door. Now, guys, we do have some upsells. Before I go to the upsells, let me show you, I'm going to show you the upsells, and then I'm going to go to my custom bonuses. Okay, you can get in the front door, guys, for $37. We've got an upscale, the 20 times success accelerator for $67. Guys, you want to go to authority and mastery, guys, 800 times your income. And any niche that you're in, guys, it's well worth it. $97 value. Now, guys, some of the marketers out there are selling this stuff for $1,000. I've seen it. I'm not going to mention their names. I've seen some of the same stuff being offered for $1,000. You're getting it here for this value. There's another OTO, guys. OTO number 3. You're talking about $97 to the traffic mastery class. Guys, and this is for people that are just going all out. I want to have a full-time income working from the comfort of home and affiliate marketing whatever I want to market. You're talking about OTO number 4, Warrior Intelligence. Guys, and I'm talking about that is incredible. And guys, this is very, very exciting. All right, what is it all about? The ticket to success, the $37 value, guys. It's going to be a what you're getting here for the $37. You're going to get a training-based platform that has multiple resources to take users from scratch to full-time earnings fast. And there's more value here. Here is upgrade number 1, 20-time success accelerator. You're going to get first-time upgrade success virtually done for you, set up in their system. Customers get stacked of professionally created videos, social media posts, graphics, and more. And they can customize in seconds and plug in for any campaign. You can also use a full 30 done for you follow-up emails to automatically monetize new leads hand-free. 20 times profit accelerator. We can deliver results in little as 24 hours. In most cases, you can do better than that. That's in the 20 times accelerator. Upgrade number 2, Authority Master, 800% income blaster, $97. Upgrade number 2 gives users the exact step-by-step methods that we follow to increase our revenues by 800%. Let me say that again. You're going to get access to the exact same methods that Dan and Phil used to exponentially grow their income 800%. This is user-friendly. This is beginner-friendly, wildly profitable hacks for exploding their buyer audience and increasing authority by dominating any niche and much more. Perfect for customers who want to scale their business, but at your own pace. Guys, in the back office, there are step-by-steps. You can pause the video, do this. Step 1, do this. Day 1, do this. Day number 2, do this. Day number 3, do this. Day number 4, do this. You can go at your own pace. Upgrade number 3, traffic mastery. Guys, and this stuff works. You want to see results, guys? If you really want results, guys, that look like this, look at all these commissions that I have been able to earn over time just using actionable steps, guys. It's just absolutely exciting to be able to get these steps. Let's go back over here. I'm going to show you some of my custom bonuses in just a minute. Free traffic, guys, underground social media, as well as the hottest platforms out there. No stone is unturned here. Upgrade number 4, Warrior Intelligence. You can get it for $4.97 or you can get it $2.97. Warrior Intelligence is our exclusive coaching platform. You're going to get access to live weekly coaching calls. In addition, members join an exclusive mastermind group for more on-the-fly coaching and networking. And we know all about this ultimate shortcut to results. It is the answer for customers that we want the best. We've priced it to convert for you. Guys, this thing is exciting. Very exciting. So, guys, that's your upsells. You get in for $37. You got the OTO number 1 for $67, OTO number 2 for $97, OTO number 3 for $97, and then you're going to get access to ongoing training in the Warrior Intelligence for $4.97 or 2 payments of $2.97. Incredible value, guys. Also, when you join, guys, I'm going to get access to some other bonuses, guys. Let me show you. You're going to get access to all these other bonuses, guys. Free bonuses, guys. Access to how Art was able to grow his income within 45 minutes. Real life case study to $807 to $408.07 within 45 minutes. Real life case study, and then you can produce this, guys, to be able to potentially earn hundreds a day with this training. Guys, you're going to get more training, guys, how to get viral traffic to any website. Piggyback profits, guys. Discover the secret name that big name affiliates are used to be able to get $2,000 in commissions daily. You're going to get free access to that. If you got a Facebook fan page, guys, this thing is going to be 100%. We're going to give you this software for free. You can drive unlimited traffic, guys, to your Facebook fan page on 24/7 on complete autopilot. Guys, we're going to give you access, guys, to a revolutionary SSA platform that generate high-quality clicks to any affiliate product of your choosing. Also, guys, we're going to give you access to a video editor software. Guys, all of this is yours free, guys, over $2,000 value. So, guys, you're looking over $7,000 in bonuses between my custom bonuses and what the vendor is offering you. Very excited. Let me take you over to the back office, guys. I'm going to do a whole video, guys, talking about the back office, and we'll go from there. On a separate, guys. Okay, you're going to get a welcome from Phil. And he's going to talk about the program, the back office. Right here, guys, we're going to talk about why 85% of people fail. Here is a visualizing success. What's your why? Becoming a marketer. You're going to look at module completed once you're done. You're going to look at this here, guys, the success series mastery, choosing your niche, customer profile. You're going to have 100% commissions, how you get that, guys, success overview. Day 1, do this. Day 2, do this. Day 3, do this. Guys, these are actionable steps that you can go at your own pace to be able to learn how to properly market to exponentially grow your income, or take whatever niche you're in and scale it to the moon. We got what we call the 10X challenge, guys, and these are videos. These are videos, guys. Let's look at like a day 1 video. Let's go here, show you. Okay, guys, here we got Phil. Dan's going to go through, and he's going to give you actionable steps that you need to take into your business to grow your income exponentially. And we'll go from there. Guys, there's so much in here. It's going to show you how to set up your domain, get response training, opt-in page, Venmo setup. Guys, this is real world value. Absolutely incredible. YouTube mastery program here, outsourcing your businesses. Uploading your outranking your competition. Guys, you know how to outrank your competition in your videos and stuff? Guys, all this stuff that we know, it's going to be put into the training step by step, and you can learn them also. Thumbnail secrets, and we'll go from there. Explore how to get more subscribers, share your wins, accelerate your growth and support. Guys, I highly recommend this product. When you get a chance, guys, come over, get the link. If you have any questions, I'll leave my email in the description below. But I highly recommend the Ticket to Success. Go through the website, guys. Look at the value. And if you want results like this, sell, 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 sell. Whatever you're selling, we're going to show you how to sell it and scale it to the moon with these actionable steps and Ticket to Success. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Guys, there's so much more to cover. I'll do it in another video. But get ready for one of the biggest launches for 2021. I'm very excited about it. We'll go from there. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now. Until the next video.